Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best PayPal business account features and setup guide. So here's the breakdown. If you're running a business and you want a flexible way to accept payment online or in person, a PayPal business account is one of the easiest and the most trusted options. With it, you get features like PayPal checkout buttons, invoicing, subscription billing, and flexible payout. So customer can pay you with PayPal card or local method in one smooth process. So setting it up is very simple. The first thing to do is to download the PayPal app or visit the website, sign up with a business email, verify your identity and bank account, then choose the tools you want. For example, button for your site, invoicing or in-person payment. So once active, you can track sales, manage funds, and get real-time insight or on transactions rather, and all from your dashboard. So if this actually helped you, like the video, subscribe for more business money tips, and comment with which PayPal features you would like to use first. And that's it.